Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a Mexican-style rice and chicken. This is one of my favorite recipes to use leftover cooked chicken. It's a one-pot meal and ready in under 30 minutes. If you watched my last video, Baked Lemon Chicken, I had leftover chicken and pulled the meat off the bone. Cut it up into small pieces. That's the cooked chicken I'm using for this recipe. I also have some cut up green and red bell peppers, corn kernels. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. Chopped yellow onion, a cup of long grain rice, chicken stock. You can substitute vegetable stock or even water. Tomato sauce, fresh cilantro leaves, hot sauce. For the dry spices, garlic powder, cumin powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. After the dish is cooked, you can mix in some shredded cheddar cheese if you like. The cheese is optional. This rice dish has plenty of flavor and the cheese is just an addition. This is a simple weeknight recipe since the chicken is already cooked. You can pull the meat off a store-cooked rotisserie chicken. If you are using raw chicken, just cut it up into bite-sized pieces, sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and garlic powder, saute for a few minutes in a little oil. It's very quick. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put the chopped onions in, red and green bell peppers, quarter teaspoon salt, and stir. Saute this until soft. Add the dry spices, half a teaspoon salt, and cook for a minute so the spices lose their raw flavor. Mix in the chicken, add the corn, and cilantro leaves. I've washed and drained the rice, add it to the pot, the chicken stock, tomato sauce, and a few drops of hot sauce. Bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, cover the pot. Lower the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. It's been about 17 minutes and I'll check the rice. It needs a few more minutes of cooking. The dish can take anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes to cook. Now it's done. You can put some fresh cilantro leaves on top, and if you like, mix in the shredded cheese. It melts very nicely. Sour cream is cooling over this hot rice and chicken. Rice dishes are generally comfort food, and this is no exception. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.